Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the oven light bulb in your stove. The reason why you might have to do this is because the bulb is burnt out and it's not working. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. Alright, so to get to our oven's light bulb, we're going to just open up the door. So to get to our light bulb, we're going to have to take this light bulb lens off first. So to do that, just unclip it and pull that right off. Now, just unscrew the light bulb and we'll take that out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement light bulb. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So all we have to do is put this right back into the socket, screw it in, and I'm screwing it in clockwise, just in case you couldn't tell. There we go. Now we can put our lens in there, put that clip into place. And now we'll put this rack back in. Close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.